Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some seriously cool tech news that's shaking up the AI world. Imagine an AI that can handle your texts, chat about photos, transcribe audio on the fly, and even break down videos, all in one seamless package. That's exactly what Alibaba just dropped with their new open source model called Qwen3-Omni. And get this, it's not just a fancy tool, it's throwing down the gauntlet to big US players like OpenAI and Google. Let's break it all down in this video, and I'll tie in how this fits into China's bigger tech dominance story. If you're into AI and global innovation, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let's jump in. First off, what is Qwen3-Omni all about? So Alibaba's cloud team unveiled this bad boy recently. It's a fully open source AI model that's built from the ground up to be omnimodal. That means it doesn't just stick to one thing, it processes text, images, audio, and video all together, like a super smart brain that understands the world in multiple ways. There are two main versions, the Qwen3-Omni 30B, which is a powerhouse with 30 billion parameters for heavy-duty tasks, and the real-time version that's optimized for super fast streaming responses. Picture this. You upload a video clip, and it not only describes what's happening, but also pulls out audio details, analyzes images frame by frame, and chats back in real time. It's multilingual too, supporting a bunch of languages, which makes it perfect for global use. Why is this a big deal? Well, most AI models out there are kind of specialized. You've got ones great at text like ChatGPT or image generators like DALL-E, but blending everything smoothly, that's next level. Alibaba's making this open source, so developers worldwide can tweak it, build on it, and integrate it into apps without paying hefty fees. It's already climbing the ranks on platforms like Hugging Face, where it's topping charts for multimodal performance. And yeah, this is Alibaba straight up challenging the US tech giants. Think about it, companies like Meta or Anthropic have their own multimodal stuff, but Qwen3-Omni is free, powerful, and coming from a Chinese powerhouse that's been investing big in AI. It's like saying, hey, we're not just catching up, we're leading the pack. Now let's zoom out a bit because this launch isn't happening in a vacuum. China's been on a tear when it comes to tech innovation, and Qwen3-Omni is just one piece of that puzzle. According to reports from think tanks like the Australian Strategic Policy Institute, China now leads the world in research for about 90% of critical technologies. Out of 64 key areas they tracked, from AI to biotech and advanced materials, China's at the top in 57 of them based on recent data from 2019 to 2023. That's a massive flip from 2 decades ago when they were leading in just a handful. One area that's super interesting, semiconductors, especially stuff like EUV lithography. For those who aren't deep into chips, EUV stands for Extreme Ultraviolet Lithography. It's the tech used to etch tiny patterns on silicon wafers to make super advanced processors, like the ones in your phone or AI servers. Right now, a Dutch company called ASML dominates the market for these machines, and US export controls have made it tough for China to get the latest ones. But China's pouring resources into developing their own versions, potentially breaking that reliance on foreign manufacturing. If they nail EUV at home, it means they can produce cutting-edge chips without begging for imports, which ties right back to powering models like Qwen3-Omni. It's all about self-sufficiency and pushing the boundaries in areas that drive everything from EVs to quantum computing. So what does this mean for the future? Well, with open source gems like Qwen3-Omni, we're seeing more democratized AI. Anyone can experiment and innovate. But it also ramps up the global competition. US firms might need to step up their game or collaborate more. China's lead in so many tech fields could reshape industries from healthcare to defense. It's exciting, but it raises questions about data privacy, ethics, and how we all keep up. What do you think? Will Qwen3-Omni become your go-to AI tool? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want me to test it out in a follow-up video, let me know. Thanks for watching, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.